y'all, welcome to another video. If you would like to make this fabulous bourbon chicken with rice and vegetables, stay tuned for the video. So the first step is you're going to add just a half teaspoon of salt, your half a tablespoon of onion powder, half a tablespoon of garlic powder. You're going to have a half a teaspoon of red pepper, a pinch of cumin, and a half a tablespoon of black pepper. You're going to add all your seasoning to your chicken. Now with the chicken, the only thing I did prior to was cut them up into bite-sized pieces, and I washed them and I dried them off. Not all the way, but just slightly where it's not dripping with water. Now, once you've mixed your chicken, you're just going to set it aside until your grease is nice and hot inside of your pan. Okay, so your next step is you're going to add some garlic and also some ginger to your hot oil. And then once you do that, you're going to just kind of let it saute for about a minute and a half or so. Then after that, you're going to add your chicken. Now, the key to this is you want to make sure that your grease is really, really hot. Okay, so now I'm adding my chicken to the grease, and I'm just going to kind of just saute it or fry it until it's nice and brown and it's cooked all the way through. So while your chicken is sauteing, you're going to start mixing your sauce. And your sauce is going to include some soy sauce, some apple juice, some olive oil, some bourbon, light brown sugar, and cornstarch. You're going to whisk all of your ingredients until everything is blended and just set it aside until your chicken is cooked thoroughly. Okay, so our chicken is cooked thoroughly. All we're going to do is just give it another quick stir before we add our sauce. And with the sauce, all you're going to do is just pour it right over the chicken. But the only thing is you want to make sure that your chicken has little to no water before you add it. Now, pouring the sauce over, all you're going to do is just stir it a few times and then bring it to a nice vigorous boil. So, as you can see, this is after about another 5 minutes of elapsed time. Your chicken and the sauce is actually starting to thicken a little. You just want to kind of give it a stir every few minutes just so that it doesn't stick and that all of your chicken is nicely coated with the sauce. Okay, so after about 10 minutes, your chicken should honestly have little to no sauce on it. You want just a little bit left over because after time, once it kind of sits for about a few minutes, it's going to get even more thicker. And that's pretty much it. That's how we put it together. So to plate this delicious recipe, I only added just some rice and I did steam some vegetables. So as you can see, I placed the rice in the middle of the plate and then I added the bourbon chicken to the side. And then after that, I added my vegetables and I garnished it with a little bit of green onions. And there you have it. This is my bourbon chicken recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share this recipe. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tell someone else to subscribe if you've already subscribed. And I will see you all in another video. Bye.